All right, we're setting the shot up here. It's a risky move because we're outside, but I do have the sun, so I don't have to move a bunch of lamps around, so that feels like a good idea. And I'm gonna tell you about our mainstream video behind the stream. It's a deep dive into an example of a fantastic online course. And why online courses are so big right now? Well, we get into it, so stay tuned. Video has to be, you have to feel like you want to do it. I have been obsessed with film since I was 3 years old. It's legit, just ask my mom.
I have lots of experience in the corporate marketing video world. I started working in video production in 1995, about a quarter of a century ago.
There's a lot of fear in being on camera. There's a lot of fear in spending money. This online course is the best and greatest use of video and the way that the video medium actually works. Obviously, video can make you money in your business, but one of the things that it can really do is increase the amount of people you can communicate with, and it can enhance the communication because you can show and tell. So the Taking Care of Babies course had all of the things that I constantly preach about making video awesome, it was baked in there. So she had taken a lot of the books I read. Obviously, this was a very specific philosophy on sleep. There's a lot of different parenting philosophies, as I learned. So this was a very specific philosophy. She'd drawn on several different authors and was able to compile that information and then use video to show while she was telling us this information. I was so impressed by how she used video to teach people about how to sleep train babies. So first of all, she has a workshop. So she would do this class, like most of us start with our teaching in person. So she cuts back and forth between a interview style similar to what we're doing right now, where she's talking about what the course curriculum is, how to think about it. And then they cut between that and her actual live course. So you get two things happen there. One is you get to see her as the expert and actually hands-on training. There's actual babies in this course that she's teaching live. It's a different visual, so that makes it fun to kind of go back and forth between. And then in the other shot, it's really nice looking, it's lit really well, she looks really good, probably had her makeup done. So that was a really cool look. It was a great use of editing to cut back and forth. And then they did a great job using graphics and also B-roll. So they're using all of these different visuals to help you understand the content, to really get what a book can't show you. All of the books that she referenced I had read or I'd picked up, but she was able to show you that through video. So that's the power of the online video course.